Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about everything that's related to AHAs, like what is it, how to use, the precautions that you need to take, the benefits of it and everything. So if you guys want to know about all of it, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about what are AHAs. So AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids are basically the kind of acids that occur naturally in certain food items. They work by loosening the top layer of the skin that breaks down the gluey substance that holds together all the cells, which helps in growing more cells, which results in increase in cell turnover. Some of the most common types of AHAs are lactic acids, which is found in milk and milk products. Then there is citric acid, which is found in citrusy fruits like lemons and oranges. Then there is glycolic acid, which is found in sugar cane. There is malic acid, which is found in apples, and there is tartaric acid, which is found in grapes. Out of these, glycolic acid and lactic acid are the two types of AHAs that are commonly used for exfoliating the skin. Now coming on to the benefits of AHA. So the first benefit is gentle exfoliation. AHAs are basically a very nice alternative for all those abrasive and harsh scrubs that you use on the skin, because AHAs basically exfoliate the skin very gently. Second benefit is improves skin texture. So AHA basically helps in removing all the dry and the rough and the flaky kind of skin from the upper layer of your skin, which helps in improving the skin texture and also reducing the appearance of blemishes on the skin. On regular use of AHA, it helps in removing the upper layer of the dead skin cells, which results in the increase in collagen and elastin, which helps in removing or basically reducing the fine lines and wrinkles from your face. The third benefit is that it helps in reducing hyperpigmentation. So AHAs basically work on a deeper level into the skin, and when it is used regularly, it helps in reducing dark spots, hyperpigmentation, melasma, sun damage, and all of these kind of things. If you happen to have dark skin, like you have dark skin tone, then it's best to consult a dermat before you start using an AHA, because AHA can cause dark spots or change your skin tone in a very uneven level. So it's best that you consult a dermat before you start using an AHA on your own. The fourth benefit of an AHA is that it reduces acne. So AHAs basically help in removing the dead skin cells that could possibly clog the pores and cause pimples and acne. So if you're using an AHA, it will efficiently remove the acne and reduce the appearance of acne as well. It is very important to understand how to use an AHA. So AHAs can basically be used in forms of cleansers, toners, serums, moisturizers and peels. The best way, according to me, what I feel, in my opinion, the best way to use any kind of chemical actives and not just AHA is to use it in the form of either peels, serums or moisturizers. You can use it as toners also, but I feel that these three are the most effective ways of using, and out of these also I feel that serums are the most effective way of using any kind of chemical actives. And I don't find cleansers to be very effective, because for any chemical active to work, it's supposed to stay onto your skin for certain period of time so that it can start working on your skin. And with cleansers, what you do is you just cleanse your skin, like you put it on your skin, rub it for a few seconds and then you wash it off. So it's not getting ample amount of time to stay on the skin and work. So it's basically your money is going down the drain if you're using a cleanser that has chemical actives or AHAs in it. It's just my opinion. You can use a cleanser that has AHA or chemical actives. It's up to you, but it's just my opinion that I'm sharing with you guys. If you want to use a cleanser that happens to have AHA in it, just take a small amount, rub it on your face in circular motions, gently rub it on your face in circular motions, keep it for 30 seconds and then wash it off with lukewarm water. And make sure that you're washing it off with lukewarm water, because if you're washing it off that way, it is going to be more effective. There are also certain AHAs that are available in the market that can be used as leave-on products. So in that case, what you do is you apply that product on your face and possibly try to use it at night so that you get a gap of of 7 to 8 hours before your skin comes in contact with direct sunlight, because if it's used overnight, it will actually work more nicely, because that way it's not coming in contact with direct sunlight, and that way it's not going to basically make your skin photosensitive, so you will be able to make the most out of it. AHA peels are also the best way to exfoliate your skin. In this method, what you can do is cleanse your skin nicely with a nice cleanser, apply the peel and keep it on your skin for 15 to max 20 minutes and not more than that, otherwise it can damage your skin. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, just wash your skin off with a nice lukewarm water. Peels are very strong in concentration, which is why it is mandatory, it's highly recommended, and it's actually mandatory that you do a patch test before you start using it regularly, so that you can avoid your skin from any kind of irritation or any kind of flakiness, or even ending up burning your skin. You can avoid all of that if you do a patch test, so don't forget to do a patch test. Lastly, coming on to the precautions that you need to take while using an AHA. So the first thing that you need to make sure is that do a patch test. Please guys, do a patch test no matter what happens, because if you're doing a patch test, you're basically avoiding your skin from the possibility of either burning, stinging, or even irritation of any kind. If you do not experience anything of this kind when you do a patch test, you can use it on a regular basis. But if you do experience any kind of stinging or irritation or any kind of burning, stop using that peel or that AHA based product right there and then, because you don't want to damage your skin. The second precaution that you need to take is that AHA can actually make your skin very photosensitive, which can end up damaging your skin, which is why it is highly recommended and it is mandatory, very much mandatory, that you end up using a sunscreen that is of a broad spectrum and of an SPF of 30 and above, so that you can protect your skin from the UV light. The third precaution that you need to take, which is also the last in the list, is that do not overuse any kind of product. If you're using a peel, like I said earlier, do not use it for more than once a week. More than once a week will damage your skin. Once a week is more than enough, trust me when I say that. Even if your skin happens to have a high tolerance power over any kind of chemical actives, even then once a week is going to be more than enough. If you have high tolerance power, once a week. If you have never used any kind of chemical actives, not just AHA but any kind, BHAs, PHAs, any kind, if you have never used on your skin, make sure that you are actually building it up with a time span of 6 to 7 months by using it start using it from once a month, build it up on your skin from a time span to 6 to 7 months, so that your skin can get adjusted with the chemical actives that you're using on your skin, and then your skin will not damage that way. If you use all chemical actives at once and at the same time, that can also be one of the reasons that your skin is getting damaged. So make sure that you're using the right kind of chemical active, the right way, and in the right time period. Like if you're using it once a month, if you're just starting out, just use it once a month. Trust me, that's going to be more than enough, and then build it up gradually in a time span of 6 to 7 months. So that's about it for today's video. This is all the information that I had about AHAs, which I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions, any queries, or if there is anything that I left out in mentioning in today's video, you could leave it in the comment section below, and I would love to read about all of it. Also, make sure that you hit the like button and comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.